want to learn today, I want to teach you today how to use Vlookup in MS Excel, because this is one of the most useful and most powerful formula in MS Excel. So for example, if you write the name of any student, so you'll get automatically the marks, total marks or average, percentage, everything below here. Only changing the name of that specific student, you'll see all of his student result will be displayed here. So to do that, for doing that, you'll have to put the name of those students here and then come to the next cell and just place is equal to, then write Vlookup tab and then lookup value. What is the lookup value? Lookup value means that value on which you are looking or searching other values. It means the name of a student. Just click on that and then hit F4 key, because F4 key will lock the cell value, because we'll drag it right side. That locked cell won't be dragged. If it will be dragging, so we can't get or find the result. So after giving the lookup value, you'll see the table array. Table array means from where you are searching your values. We are searching from here, so click here and Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow, and then again hit F4 key for lock these, and then hit comma after column index number. It means which column you want in the return. We want all of these upside columns, so it means we'll have to give the another column, a reference column formula over here. Just column and then in reference we don't want to give anything, just close the bracket and again close the bracket of Vlookup and then hit enter. You'll see the 94 and then come to that cell in which you have got the first result, and then press the Control or shortcut key to drag these formulas all sides. So for example, now if we want to change the name, so you'll see the result. So what are the marks of Ramesh? From here you can say or see the Ramesh marks. So like this way, if we want to change it from another name, so you will see the Mahavir's marks. So see what are. So now you can see here that here is not giving us the proper result. Just go to the home tab and switch this from the percentage, so you'll see it. So like this way you can see these are both same. So again, if we want to change this name into another one, just see what's the result. So like this way you can see your results from here. Okay.